back at it, trying to still finish these same 2 walls. Y'all only saw the one, but I'm actually doing 2. Man, it's so doggone cold out here. I tried to defrost my windows, threw some water on it, and the doggone water froze instantly. It don't make no sense to be this cold. But yeah, either way, we got to get to it. The wood on the back of the truck froze, but we're going to make it happen one way or another. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. We about to pull back up to the client's house. First, we have to make a quick trip to Home Depot, grab the rest of this wood, and yeah, pull back up to the client's house and get to it. So hopefully we can get it done, because I got to get done by 6 today to pick up my toddlers. So yeah, let's make it happen. On the site and finishing up this first design. Caulk time. All right. So the wall is finally finished being caulked, and now it's ready to be painted. So unfortunately, ran into some snags with the painting. Actually had a guy come in to paint it, but his equipment malfunctioned. And of course, today would be the day that I don't have my paint gun. All right, so it's paint day finally. I kind of already got started. I done half of the wall just in go mode and didn't really remember to hit record. But yeah, you guys can follow along as I paint the rest of it. You kind of see where I stopped right about there-ish. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and pick up and finish. I'm using a Wagner Flexio gun for this wall today because it doesn't have too much back spray, and it's much easier to control the paint splatter in this environment. Alright. That's a wrap. It's done.